Hey guys, we're back with another Elation fixture today, the Chorus Line 16. This is an LED fixture. It's a budget-friendly version of the X4 bar from GLP. It's a bit heavier. The X4 comes in at 32 pounds. The Chorus Line comes in at 47. It's also a little bit brighter. The Chorus Line has 16 40-watt pixels that output 5,700 lumens, and the X4 has 20 15-watt pixels that output 4,300 lumens. So there is an argument to be made for the Chorus Line, but I'm not going to be the one to make it. Today I just need to tech through our inventory. I haven't created a tech sequence for these yet, so I'm actually going to go through the entire process in the GrandMA2, show you how I build my tech sequence, and explain kind of why I do it the way I do. So let's head into the shop. So first things first, get them into your patch. MA does have a profile for these, so there's no issues there. I like to start my cue stack with a setup cue. Generally this is just turning the fixture to 100 on the dimmer channel. And then next I'll put the fixture into a tech position. This can be pointing at the wall or at the ground, but in this case I just want them pointed somewhere where I can have a good view of the LEDs. I try to rename my cues as I go. It makes it less likely that I'll get lost in the programming process, but more on that later. My first several cues are going to be dimmer effects, to ensure that I have all the same dimming modes on the fixtures and that the fixtures are all calibrated and dimming at the same rate. Next, I run through all my color presets, storing them as I go. I find the MA color palette to be the easiest palette to use for this process. Then I run through all my shutter presets, followed by the zoom presets. This next set of cues will test the tilt range from maximum to minimum. Nearing the end of the sequence, I create a stress test. This is going to be a longer cue that uses the most amount of attributes. In this case, I'm going to use strobe, tilt, color, and zoom all at maximum. So I mentioned renaming cues as you go, but if I'm crunched for time, I'll rename each attribute group that I store, and then on the next line that I tech, I'll rename the individual colors and strobes and whatever I missed. The second time around also gives me the opportunity to set trigger times, and with the tech secrets running itself, I can then walk amongst the fixtures, listening and identifying problems immediately. My final cue is going to be a pack-up cue that puts the fixture in the right position to clean it afterwards. There are some cues that operate better as fade cues rather than triggers, such as colors, but that's just my preference. The end result is this cue stack. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments.